Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today we're diving into a side-by-side comparison of Smartsheet and Excel, two popular tools used for organizing data and managing projects, but with very different strengths. So I'm going to break down their features, their ease of use, the pricing, and what kind of teams each one is best for. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow better. So first off, let's take a quick look at both platforms. Now, Smartsheet is a cloud-based work management tool designed to help teams plan, automate, and track projects at scale. It blends the look of a spreadsheet with powerful project management features, dashboards, and collaboration tools. It's built for businesses that need structure, automation, and visibility across multiple teams and workflows. On the other hand, Excel is a spreadsheet powerhouse from Microsoft that's been a staple in offices for decades. It's incredibly flexible, supports advanced formulas and macros, and is widely used for everything from budgeting to data analysis. But at its core, it's still a spreadsheet, not a project management platform. And that means it's great for calculations, but you'll need to do some work if you want to make it function like a collaboration or workflow tool. Now, let's talk about features. So Smartsheet offers grid views, Gantt charts, dashboards, forms, and automation tools that make it easy to manage projects, assign tasks, and track progress. So you can set up recurring workflows, trigger alerts, and share sheets across departments, all in real time. It also includes built-in resource management and reporting tools that are designed to scale with your business. Now, Excel, meanwhile, offers unmatched power when it comes to calculations, pivot tables, and custom modeling. If you're crunching numbers or you need to do deep data analysis, then Excel is a go-to. It also supports VBA for automation, but setting up task assignments, progress tracking, or collaboration features takes more effort and usually requires templates or plugins. Next up, let's talk about user experience. So Smartsheet feels modern and focused on team collaboration. It's easy to navigate, and it comes with templates that make it simple to launch new projects. Everything's cloud-based and accessible by your entire team with role-based permissions. Excel, by comparison, is incredibly familiar, but still operates largely as a single user experience unless you're using it in Microsoft 365's cloud. Even then, collaboration features are more limited than what Smartsheet offers out of the box. Now, when it comes to integrations, both tools perform well, but in different ways. So Smartsheet connects natively with platforms like Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, Salesforce, and Slack. You also get automation with Zapier and a built-in API. Excel integrates well within the Microsoft ecosystem, especially when paired with Power BI, SharePoint, and Teams, but lacks the same real-time project collaboration features unless you build them in manually. Now, let's talk about pricing. So Smartsheet has 4 plans. Pro at $12 per member per month, Business at $24 per member per month, and both enterprise and advanced work management with custom pricing. Excel is included in Microsoft 365 plans, which start at $9.99 per month for personal use or $12.99 for family use. So which one should you go for? Well, if you're managing projects, collaborating across teams, and you need real-time automation and reporting, then Smartsheet is the better option. But if your work revolves around formulas, number crunching, and data modeling, then Excel still remains one of the best tools out there. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.